Hello Tech Explorers, want to log into Invideo AI but not sure how? No worries, I'll show you how in just few steps. Let's get started. Quick question, have you ever had any issues logging in? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. First, open your browser and go to the Invideo AI website. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to open the login screen. Now, enter your email address and password. If you have signed up using Google or another method, you can tap on Continue with Google or another option to log in faster. Once you log in, you are all set. Welcome to Invideo AI and ready to start creating. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.